Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. According to statistics, only a small percentage of you who watch my videos is actually subscribed. If you enjoy what you watch and still not subscribed, do consider hitting the subscribe button. This encourages YouTube as algorithm in promoting more my health and fitness content to the people out there.
A simple coffee recipe that can support weight loss is a black coffee with a touch of cinnamon. Here's how to make it. Ingredients: 1 cup of brewed black coffee, without sugar, a pinch of ground cinnamon. Instructions: brew a cup of black coffee. Allow it to cool slightly. Sprinkle a pinch of ground cinnamon on top. Stir and enjoy. Black coffee, low in calories. Black coffee is virtually calorie-free if you don't add sugar or cream. This means you're not consuming empty calories that could contribute to weight gain. Caffeine. Coffee contains caffeine, which can increase your metabolic rate and help burn more calories. It may also boost your energy levels, potentially encouraging more physical activity. Cinnamon. Blood sugar regulation. Cinnamon is known for its potential to help regulate blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels can reduce cravings for sugary and high-calorie foods. Flavor without calories. Cinnamon adds a pleasant, slightly sweet flavor to your coffee without adding calories or sugar. To use this coffee for weight loss effectively, consider these tips. Avoid sugar and cream. Adding sugar and cream to your coffee can significantly increase the calorie count. Stick to plain black coffee. Moderation. While coffee can have benefits, excessive consumption, especially in the evening, can interfere with your sleep, which in turn can affect weight management. It's best to enjoy it in moderation. Balanced diet and exercise. Remember that no single food or drink can guarantee weight loss on its own. For effective weight loss, it's important to maintain a balanced diet and incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Hydration. Continue to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support your metabolism. Incorporating black coffee with cinnamon into your daily routine can be a small, positive step towards your weight loss goals, but it should be part of a larger, comprehensive strategy for a healthier lifestyle.
Before we wrap up, remember that your likes, shares, and subscriptions are what keep this channel going strong. If you found value in what you just watched, give that like button a click and consider sharing it with someone who might enjoy it too. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop with our latest content. Thanks for being a part of our community, and until next time, keep learning and keep growing.